Alright, the day has come. I'm going to put the Eclipse outside, and this guy here is almost ready, but I am about to switch all the cars, pump up the tires, and put the BMW in here. So the BMW is going to take place. The Eclipse doesn't have much anything that needs to be inside, so everything else is good. I just need to make some small pipe for the exhaust so I can plug the, I hope you can see, the O2 sensor that is hanging. But yeah, apart from that, I need the BMW inside now, so let me do that. Alright, so this might be one of the last starting of this car. I need to pop the trunk. This is gonna be going to, it's gonna be first thing I'm gonna do in my garage. So plug the power. Okay. Plug the power and let's do it. Alright, all done. Mitsubishi outside, BMW inside. Crazy driver out there. And we're gonna start working on this baby. Yeah, check this out. I'm so excited. So first thing, we're gonna take the hood, and I have the engine here. It's almost ready. I put it on the side so it doesn't get on my sun or anything. So yeah, it's gonna finish wrapping. And dude, gutter some more. I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess if you have an idea of what should I do first, or have a wish what should I do first, just let me know. I gotta take the engine. This is going to go quickly, so I'm not gonna make a video of it. I'm just gonna take it, and that's it. Car is in the house. So just a little, gonna introduce, I don't know the name of the car yet, but this is how it looks. So we have new steering wheel, that one on the wall. So I also have quick release. I have a harness, 4-point harness put in here. Replaced the seats a while ago, so it's gonna make this car like way lighter. It already have like a bar in here, but it's just in here. It's not the whole full bar. Back seats gone. This will be gone. What else in here? I think I'm gonna keep the center console. Kind of like all the panel and all the dash and all that stuff is gonna stay. I'm gonna try to make it work with the new ECU and see what I can get from there. What else? Yeah, all this stuff here is gonna go. It's gonna be one bunch of buttons. It's like to start the car and all that stuff, because the key is not gonna work anymore. The key is going to go with the engine, which is going away. This is a big engine, big. And my problem was on this thing here. It cracked because too much pressure. All of this is gonna come out, and that one engine there is gonna get in there. So I just need to be sure that everything I have is gonna fit in here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. I really want to rebuild, but then I mean, why am I gonna spend money on this thing here? Even though, I mean, the engine is awesome. I don't want to buy another M54, but I might replace the head gasket and sell the engine. But the engine is still tired, so yeah. Leave a comment down here if you have any suggestions for me. What to do with this engine. What would you like to see me doing with that engine? Now in the garage I can finally finish wrapping. Of course, as you see, we have rust in here. Sorry. We have a little bit of rust. Actually, this panel is good. We have a small incident on this side, which is gonna also be a video. We're gonna fix that. And we have some rust on this side too. Yeah, apart from all this crap, it's great. So don't forget to subscribe. There is lots to come, as you see here. I have tons of video already making this, building this engine. I didn't even put the valve covers in place yet. I mean, it is in place, but I didn't tie them yet. I actually learned from that car outside, that one. I built that one, and I realized that when I put in the car, or when I was about to, I could take the valve cover and see if the timing was correct. So this one I'm not going to do yet. When I'm ready to put in the car, I'm going to zap them in, and dude, this is going to be awesome. So subscribe, like, share, comment. Don't forget to check out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com. There's a bunch of merch coming related to BMWs and 2JZs and all that stuff. And I'll see you on the next video.